How to renew your Cookidoo subscription. First, kindly log into your Cookidoo account. Click on Menu at upper right corner and select Account. Before renewing your account, click on Change Profile and ensure your country of residence is the same as the billing address you will enter later. Change your country of residence if necessary. Once you have confirmed the country of residence is correct, click on Membership. Click on Subscribe and then select. Enter your billing address as instructed. After confirming all information key-in is correct, click Continue. Choose a payment method and click Continue. Enter your payment information as instructed and click Continue. Check your payment information and ensure it is correct. Tick the green box to accept the terms of service as well as privacy policy. Then click on Buy Now. Your order is complete and you may now explore the endless cooking inspiration on Cookidoo.